Pull over. You just hit me. You just hit me. Yes, sir. You gotta pull over somewhere.
God damn it, you fucking piece of shit. How far my ass would you like to go, dude? What's your problem, dude?
Are you guys okay?
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. We're okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're
Are you
we're
okay?
Are you okay?
Can I call the police?
Yes.
Where you going?
no lights on or nothing.
Well, put some lights on your bike, you idiot!
Мама, мама, мое сердце, я твои целую руки. Мне с тобой тепло, как в детстве, я люблю тебя. Образ твой.
Oh, wow. I got that on my camera. Oh, wow. Let's go see if everyone's okay. Oh, no.
How long does it typically take to save a person from possession?
It depends on the degree of the possession. His possession is by degree. Possession.
At the next light, turn right.
It's going to take a while. If it's generally speaking. Whereas sometimes I've
Sáu luôn tập à. Tắm tôi để mang cầu tắm. Nhưng mà hay.點解走啊？啊！
個位話唔會，哦死咯！快啲嘛，有 camera，快啲有 camera，哎呀 hit and run，報警，有 camera，快啲位，快啲報警。
Okay.
Oh, guy.
Oh my god.
Oh.
No stop.
You're supposed to. Oh. Amazing. At least he only crashed himself.
Oh my god, that's so funny. That's so funny.
Grab a delicious, refreshing Pepsi for the road. Every business faces challenges, but complicated expense shouldn't be one of them. With USPS Ground Advantage from the United States Postal Service, you can avoid all the noise. No more unexpected surcharges, hidden fees, or complex rate structures.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover